Winter weather message. National Weather Service Anchorage AK 351 p.m. Monday, November 2nd, 2020, including the cities of Bethel, Hooper Bay, and Nunavak Island. 351 p.m. Monday, November 2nd, 2020. Blizzard warning in effect from 9 a.m. Tuesday to 6 a.m. Alaska Standard Time Wednesday along the coast. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. Where? Along the coast. When? From 9 a.m. Tuesday to 6 a.m. Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: expect high winds and reduced visibility to a quarter mile or less. Additional details: for inland areas, including Bethel, visibility could reach as low as a half of a mile at times in the heaviest snowbands. Precautionary preparedness actions. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout survival kit with you if you get stranded. Stay with your vehicle.